Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's story is about this Eva hair right here. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, and as you can tell, the hair is really full to brim. And I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with the hair obviously, and it also comes with some goodies, an elastic band. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with a comb, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and it also comes with a bobby pin as well. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box, guys. The curls are popping. The hair has been pre-styled straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about doing anything whatsoever. As you can tell, the hair is really curly straight from the box, and it also comes with a center part as well, so there's no need for you to worry about plucking your hair whatsoever, because the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. And the hair also comes with baby hair on the perimeters of it, so if that's what you like, then definitely an option for you. I'm quite loving the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about anything at all you have to do is just cut your lace and you are good to go. But as always, I like to use glue to install my hair so that I'll be able to wear the hair for a while and be able to give you guys a detailed review when I do my voiceover. As I speak, I'm still wearing the hair and I really love the hair. The hair is really soft. There has been no tangling or shedding whatsoever, and the quality of the hair is top notch. Like seriously, I know I love compliments wearing the hair, and really you don't have to call the hair, but as always I have to call the hair for you guys to be able to tell that it's a real human hair, that you can call it. But otherwise you don't need to call the hair or turn the hair whatsoever. Just cut the lace and you're good to go. And also in this video I used the Darella hair glue, Darella maximum hold to install the hair, and the hair is really soft to touch. As you can tell, it's so silky. I don't know how they do it, but the quality of their hair is always up there for me, and I'm quite feeling myself. Even as I speak now, I'm touching the hair and I am loving it so far. Like seriously, I am loving it. The hair is so soft to touch, and as I mentioned earlier, there's no shedding or tangling whatsoever. And I decided to curl the hair for you guys to see what the hair looks like, but straight from the box, that's what the curls looks like. So yeah, that's the hair straight from the box. No curling, no tonguing. That's the curls. Like, look at that, guys. I am loving it. So I decided to show you guys what the hair looks like straight from the box without applying any heat to the hair whatsoever. And there was no nasty smell whatsoever. The hair does not have all this nasty smell at all. And also, another thing that I really like about this is the fact that the hair is also true to length and took to curls really well, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. And after wearing the hair for a while, I noticed that the hair is still like silky. I'm quite surprised about how well the hair still hold curls, because I've not touched the hair with any bond or anything since the last time that I filmed this video, so the curls are still there popping, which is one of those things that I really like about Eva said. The quality of their hair is always top notch, and I'm still loving the curls right now. As I speak, I'm still wearing the hair and I love it. Like seriously, in terms of quality, I would definitely recommend their hair, and in terms of quick shipping, I would definitely recommend their hair, and in terms of customer service, I would definitely recommend Eva's hair. And also in terms of their packaging, it's also amazing. You've got everything you need, and bear in mind that you don't need to use any glue or gel to install the hair, because the construction of the cap itself is glueless. The hair also comes with an elastic strap as well straight from the box, so you don't have to use any glue or gel whatsoever to install the hair. And bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 13x6 lace closure, because you have up to like 6 inches parting space to pat the hair anywhere you like. But they were so generous enough to do a center part straight from the box. If you're the type that really like center parts, then go ahead and go for the center part. Then you don't have to worry about plucking your parts as well. So that's also a good option for you. But as you guys already know, that I like my side part, so I decided to switch things up, and voila, look at that, guys. The curls are popping. I love this quality of the hair, and I'll definitely recommend that you guys wait and watch the review. And thank you for watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Eva hair right here. So this is what the hair looks like. Look at that guys, the curls are popping. Look at that. The hair is really full straight from the box. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that everything has been done for you guys. Everything. The hair has been pre-styled straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about doing anything whatsoever. If you guys don't know Eva hair, I've actually worked with them before, and remember then I worked with them with the curly hair and you guys were like, oh my days, I love this hair. Like seriously, a lot of you guys fell in love with the hair when I started and all, and today's hair was one of another amazing hair by Eva hair that I am loving right now. Guys, straight from the box the curls were popping. Like seriously, there was no need for me to do nothing at all because everything has already been pre-styled straight from the box. The hair also comes with 6 inches pads straight from the box. You have enough room and enough space to pat the hair anywhere you like. You can decide to go for center pat, you can go for half pat, you can go for any part of your choice. Look at that guys, I am loving it. The curls are popping. Look at that. I actually curl the hair with one and I am feeling the curls. Like seriously, there will be no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair, and the hair hold curls really well. As you can tell, even after brushing, finger curling the hair is just bouncing back straight off like that. The hair is just bouncing back straight off. And another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair felt silky. The texture is really silky. I don't know how they did that, but the hair felt silky soft to touch. In my opinion, this is one of my favorite body wave hair. Like seriously guys, I am feeling this hair. It's so soft to touch and it felt really silky. If I am one of those hair brands that actually, you know, hold up high there because the quality of their hair is always top notch. And you guys remember my first collaboration with them, dyed the hair, bleached the hair and did everything to the hair, and the hair was still the same way it was when I actually first received it. So I'm sure this hair is also going to live up to my expectation, but we find out about that in the next few days because as you guys already know, I used glue to install the hair so that I can wear the hair for a while to be able to give you an in-depth review of the hair. I'm wearing the hair for a while before I do my voiceover, so I'll be able to have more, you know, details, and I'll be able to have more details for you guys about the hair, you know, by then. So I won't just wear it for one day and tell you the hair is this and that. So yeah, but currently based on my first impression, I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair so far. The quality of the hair is just top notch for me. Like seriously, there was no shedding, there was no tangling, there was no matting up whatsoever, and as you can tell, the hair took to curls really well. Like seriously popping. Even straight from the box, you don't have to do anything. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also the hair has also been pre-styled straight from the box. So this is the kind of hair that you bring out of the box and you cut your lace and you are good to go. So that's one of the amazing thing about Eva hair. They have everything ready for you guys, so they don't want you guys to stress at all. And if you're the type that don't like glue or gel, the packaging also comes with an elastic strap as well, so you can elastic band, I mean, so you can actually join, you know, have the elastic band on your lace and you're good to go. If you're the type that want to take off your wig every now and then that's also an option for you. And also the hair also comes pre-installed with an elastic strap at the back, so if you want to go for a ponytail look or you want to go for half up half down, then you can use the elastic strap to secure the hair without having to reach out for glue or gel. So that's also an option for you to install your hair. With this hair, you have all options to go for to install it, so that's quite amazing. The hairline is really nice. Look at that guys, I really like the hairline. It's not like that Instagram kind of zero round hairline, because the hairline is almost like similar to my own hairline, so which is one of the things that I really like about the hair. As far as my first impression is concerned, I really love the fact that the hair is also true to length. It's up to my belly button and it's just 22 inches. So in my opinion, they're very generous with their lengths, because 22 inches up to my belly button is amazing. Like seriously. But when you curl the hair with wand, like you go for tight curls, obviously the hair is going to jump up a bit, which is what I showed you guys earlier. So based on my past experience with them, I would definitely recommend that you guys check them. Frontal wig, and they have full lace wig as well. And if you're the type that like colorful hair, they also have blonde hair and colorful hair as well. And if you like your hair bleached, you know, colored straight from the box, they also have that option for you. But I decided to go for black because you guys know I like black hair a lot, and sometimes when I'm in the mood I bleach my hair and, you know, spice things up a bit. But with this hair, I am quite feeling it black. I love the fact that the, you know, hair is full to the brim, and I am feeling myself. The hair is giving me that model kind of vibe. I don't know if you guys are feeling me but I am feeling myself. Like seriously, I really quite like it. Took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, so depending on you, depending on where you're based, but if you're based in UK, you definitely get your hair in 3 days. And in terms of customer service, this is not my first time working with them. Their customer service is top notch, and they'll keep you up to date about, you know, where your hair is, how long you're gonna get it, and every single details about your hair until it arrives to you. And they are also very passionate about customer satisfaction, which is one of the things that I like about them. So yeah, in terms of customer service, I'll definitely recommend them. I'll give them A+. And in terms of the quality of their hair, top notch, A+, always A+. So I'll definitely be happy to, you know, reply to you and answer all your queries or questions about this hair. But so far so good. I am loving this hair, and I'll definitely recommend hands down Eva's hair. Always Eva's hair. Like, I thought about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.